May it please the court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. The tragic events that took place in Rockturbold on August 30th of 2012 happened because of just one person, Cameron Poole. But Mr. Poole escaped, and the state needed to hold someone accountable. They needed someone to blame. Now, Whit Bowman was the convenient choice, and that's why we're here today. We're here today because the state wants to try to make you think that Whit was somehow involved in Mr. Poole's crimes. But members of the jury, the evidence presented by the state has been more than lacking. You see, in today's case, the state had the responsibility to prove to you beyond a reasonable doubt each element of each charge. And in order to do that, they had to show that Whit was complicit in Mr. Poole's crimes. And what that means is they had to show that Whit acted with intent to carry out the robbery as to Haley Floyd, the ticket booth scheme, and the murder of Winston Thomas. Members of the jury, they have not fulfilled that burden. But let's talk about what does actually reasonable doubt mean. Specifically in the Midlands, reasonable doubt means a doubt that arises from common sense or reason. It's a doubt for which a reason can be given, arising from the rational and logical consideration of the evidence. Simply put, if at the end of today's case you don't believe absolutely that Whit is guilty, then you don't have it beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, members of the jury, the state has not fulfilled their burden of proof in today's case. Rather, they've tried to sidestep their burden by telling you that Whit was capable of committing the crimes, and that perhaps Whit knew about Mr. Poole's theft. But members of the jury, this is insufficient, because saying that Whit may have been involved, saying that Whit could have been involved, even saying that it's more likely than not that Whit was involved does not get the state beyond a reasonable doubt.